Hello and welcome to the CopyFiler introduction and installation video. CopyFiler and introduction. What does CopyFiler do? Well, it generates a report of all your blog's content so that you can register it with the Library of Congress in the United States. This enables those content creators based in the United States to claim statutory damages in the case of copyright infringement. That's approximately $2,000 per case of infringement. Now, some users run CopyFiler just to generate a useful text and image backup of their blog, and it's fine to do this too. What does CopyFiler cost? Well, it's 100% free to download and to use, always and forever. The Library of Congress, however, does charge a registration fee for copyright registration, and you need to pay that when you register your copyright, but it's not paid to us. Do I have to register my copyright? Well, no. However, your copyright is always yours, whether or not you register. But if you don't register it, and you are based in the United States, this does substantially reduce the compensation you can claim if your copyright is infringed. Does using CopyFiler mean I have to register my copyright? Absolutely not. CopyFiler generates a report of all your blog content every 90 days or 1 year, decided by you, and provides it to you via email. We have no relationship at all with the Library of Congress, and we don't share your data with any other party under any circumstances. Unless, of course, you ask us to do so, or we are legally compelled to do so. How you use your report is entirely up to you. Does CopyFiler slow down my page loading times? Absolutely not. CopyFiler doesn't slow down your blog at all. It doesn't have any impact on the way it runs. All the report generation efforts take place on our servers, not yours. Got any more questions? If you'd like to ask us anything at all about CopyFiler, we'd be happy to help. Send us an email at copyfilerquery@copynaut.com, a message on our website, copynaut.com, or call us on any of the numbers shown on copynaut.com. We'd love to hear from you. Now, we'll just take a quick look at CopyFiler's installation instructions and follow it with a video walkthrough of those instructions so you can see exactly what you need to do. How do you install CopyFiler? It's a simple 3-step process. You download it, you install it, you activate it. And that's pretty much it. We'll take a look at each step in turn, then we'll show you a video tutorial of CopyFiler being downloaded, installed and activated, so you can see exactly what's going on. Downloading CopyFiler is really easy. You visit copynaut.com/CopyFiler, or just visit copynaut.com and push the CopyFiler button at the top. Then click the orange button which says Download CopyFiler for free. Yes, CopyFiler is 100% free. Follow your browser's instructions, if any, to download the file. To install CopyFiler, it's pretty easy. You open your WordPress dashboard, you hover over the Plugins option in the left-hand menu and click Add New. Then you click Upload Plugin, which is a button on the new page. You click Choose Filer and navigate to the plugin in your Downloads folder. This is a zip file called copynaut-wp-copyfiler-plugin. Then you click Install Now, it quickly installs, and then you click on the Activate Plugin button. Activating CopyFiler is also very easy. You click the padlock icon, which has now appeared in the left-hand menu, to access the CopyFiler setup. You choose your reporting interval, which is either annual or 90 days. We'll look at that in just a minute on the next page. And you enter your email address to receive the report. Then you click Generate Report, and that's it. Boom, 90 days, or annual reporting. The Library of Congress recommends that you register your copyright with them every 90 days to have full protection of your copyright. However, some bloggers prefer to do this on an annual basis instead. CopyFiler supports both choices. It's your blog, right? Then you need to wait for your email. It can take a little while, about 4 hours, before the report is generated and you receive an email from us the first time. Don't worry, it will come. And the report provided is then yours to use in any way that you want. We recommend that if you are a US-based blogger, that you register your blog's copyright material every 90 days for the maximum protection under law. Thank you very much for watching our CopyFiler presentation. If there's anything we can help you with, please don't hesitate to get in touch.